Watch it, stream it, it's all on 5.
This is 5, where our scheduled program will resume in a moment after this test of the Emergency Alert Service. The service is designed to warn you of any possible dangers to life, and in a real emergency will provide safety information and updates. Remember that this is a test and you do not need to take any action.